Hey everyone! Today, Lily will talk about her shopping trip with her mom. This is a simple story, and you can learn easy words and phrases. It's also good practice to help you understand and speak English better. Let's listen together.
Hi, my name is Lily. I love going shopping with my mom. It's a fun way to spend time together, and we always get yummy food for the week. Every Saturday morning, we go to the market. Before we leave, my mom makes a shopping list. The list has things like fruits, vegetables, milk, bread, and snacks. Sometimes, I help her write the list. When we get to the market, we start in the fruit and vegetable section. The apples are shiny and red. My mom buys 6 apples and some bananas. I love bananas. They are my favorite fruit. We also buy carrots, potatoes, and a big head of lettuce. Next, we go to the dairy section. My mom picks a big bottle of milk and a pack of yogurt. I grab a small block of cheese, because I like cheese sandwiches. Then, we visit the bakery. The bakery smells so good. We buy 1 loaf of fresh bread. I ask my mom if we can get some cookies, and she says, yes. Finally, we go to the snack aisle. I pick a small bag of chips, and my mom chooses some nuts. She says, nuts are healthy snacks. At the checkout, the cashier smiles and says, good morning. My mom pays for the food, and we put everything in bags. When we get home, we put the food in the fridge and cupboards. Later, my mom and I make lunch together. I like helping her in the kitchen. Shopping with my mom is always fun. I love spending time with her and choosing my favorite snacks. It's a special part of my week.
Easy words and phrases. 1. Market. Market. A place to buy food. A place to buy food. Example. We go to the market every Saturday. We go to the market every Saturday. 2. List. List. A piece of paper with things to buy. A piece of paper with things to buy. Example. My mom writes a shopping list. My mom writes a shopping list. 3. Section. Section. A part of a store. A part of a store. Example. We shop in the fruit section first. We shop in the fruit section first. 4. Bakery. Bakery. A place to buy bread and cookies. A place to buy bread and cookies. Example. The bakery smells so yummy. The bakery smells so yummy. 5. Healthy. Healthy. Good for your body. Good for your body. Example: vegetables and nuts are healthy foods. Vegetables and nuts are healthy foods. 6. Cashier. Cashier. The person who takes your money at the store. The person who takes your money at the store. Example: the cashier says, "Hello." The cashier says, "Hello." Good job. Keep practicing, and your English will get better every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories and lessons. See you next time.